Howdy, I'm Derek, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can define and use your own custom tick marks to quickly indicate the work that you're performing. You might be asking yourself, what the heck is a tick mark? Well, ask any accountant and they'll probably be able to tell you. These are little indicators of review work or tracing to some source document or an accounting system where you're easily indicating and documenting the work you're performing. So let's dive in. What you're seeing is called the tick mark picker. This is a menu pick list where you can use keyboard shortcuts to quickly insert something in whatever cell you selected. So if we press number 1 here, that's going to use the agree to supporting document tick mark. Or if we use number 7 here, adjusting journal entry. So whatever amount we put that next to, the idea is that that's what we're indicating. Or we could select several cells if we're going to do more than one of these at the same time. We could say maybe we recalculated those, okay? So notice that any formatting, the text, symbols, even images, like we'll see in a second, can be inserted very quickly like this. Even the cell note to help define what that means. Not required, but it would paste that for you as well. So if we go to over here to one of these others, okay, so this is one that we want to insert, so whatever is in that cell, any formatting, any cell comments, etc., we are going to run it again, and notice option X is where we define these. So I'm going to paste a string of text that I had previously entered, and notice we're going to set this to option B here, okay? So that's now been defined, so if we run it again, now option B is defined. So we could press B, we could even make that our default if we just wanted to insert without even having to do anything. So one more time we're going to run it, just press enter, there we go. Very easily you have up to 15 of these at your fingertips. Now if you want to set them in bulk, you can use option Z here. Notice option Z, set all of these. You can also search for it in the search box by typing in bulk edit tick marks. And notice we have everything right here. Okay, so if we wanted to set one other one, or if we wanted to share this with a friend, we are going to copy and paste this to option C over here. Actually, let me paste, there we go, make sure we get the formatting in there. And once again, if we press Z, it's looking for the specific setting sheet. Once it finds it, it'll process it, and now they're going to be updated. So if we come back over here one more time, notice that option C, agree to budget, has now been loaded. Okay, so it just makes it very easy for you to quickly indicate the work that's being done, the things that you do over and over again. And if you're in accounting, obviously you can see where this is helpful, but this can help in a variety of roles as well, right? We used these a ton back when I was in public accounting, but really it's something I'd love to see everybody use a little bit more because it is such an efficient way to document the work that's being done, and documentation is something itself that we could all do a little bit better job of. That's it for today's video. If you like this, please like it, comment, tag, or share with a friend. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss out on other tips and tricks just like these. And of course, if you want to try these and hundreds of other features that save you hundreds of hours a year, just go to www.accelerate.co to the app section, or just use the link in the comments below and you can try these all out for yourself. Thanks for watching and have an excellent rest of your day.